Hello there and welcome to Linux Studio, and this guide is about how to install AMD GPU Radeon graphic drivers on Linux. So if you are using Ubuntu or any of its derivatives, then you are good to go. You will be able to install latest drivers for your AMD Radeon graphic card. So let's get started. Now AMD already provides drivers for their graphic cards, but these drivers can have some problems, and when you install these drivers, your system may not perform as stable as it would do with the open source drivers, and that is what we are going to install in the system. So these drivers are known as Mesa drivers, and they are available through these two repositories. So if you want to install the stable ones, then you can add this repository and install the drivers, and for the latest and edge channel, you can add this repository in your system, and drivers will get installed as they are updated to the repo. So we will be adding this last repository, this one, for the latest drivers, and we will install with this one. So what you want to do, you just open up the terminal and add the repository. To add a repository, simply execute this command. Hit the enter. It will ask for the password. Type in the password and then simply accept it. After this, your system will update all the repos in the system. If it does not update the repos, then you can execute this command to update the repos. So after adding the repository and updating the cache for the repository, you simply upgrade your system, and for that just execute upgrade command, and you should get update for the Mesa. So after updating the repositories, you should get this software updater window in your system. This will show all the drivers available, and simply click on the install button and it should install them in your distribution. If you are not getting that update pop-up, then simply open the updater and execute it. You will get that update window in your system. So that was the guide on how to install the open source Mesa drivers for AMD Radeon GPUs. I hope this guide helped you, and if you like the video, then subscribe to the channel and hit that like button as well. Let me know what happened in the comment section below, and I shall catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.